Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how to play a great number one from the tail end of 1969. This is a big hit for a guy called Norman Greenbaum. Spirit in the Sky, this one's called. Also a big hit for Doctor and the Medics in the tail end of the 80s. But this is the Norman Greenbaum version we're going to do. So if that's what you're up for, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Spirit in the Sky, let's get straight into it. So the bit we're going to learn right now is the bit that goes... Right, okay, so how are we doing that? So first off, we're in the key of A. What we're doing, we're going to bar strings 4, 3, 2 and 1, straight line with our first fingers. Right. And what we're going to do, we're going to play strings, the A string, D string, G string. You can go a bit lower and, you know, right it down to the second string if you want to, but just really 5, 4 and 3. And what we're going to do, in order to mute, here's a little left hand muting technique. We're going to, when we're holding down on them strings, let's bring it up to the camera for you. So we're going to keep our fingers on the strings, but we're not going to be pressing down. So we're only going to be pressing down the chord as we need it. So we're going to be press, 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 press. Of course, when we're not pressing, that is going to be muting the strings. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So if we didn't keep coming off like that, it would sound like this. See how that rings on? So by not pressing on the strings on them in between times, like that, we get that muted sound, keeps things nice and neat and tidy. So, okay, so first off, we start by holding that down. We're going to up pick on the G string, the third string, and then we keep going from the up picks on these lower strings to the open A. Like that. So we start with an up pick on the G string, sort of catching the D string as well. Got it? So. Got it? So that kind of syncopated and kind of offbeat. So it starts off with that up pick. Then we've got down pick on the A string. Then we're going to go to a D chord, up pick, and then all you're going to do is you're going to send your first two fingers up as if you're kind of playing the first two notes of a C chord, because that's essentially what we're doing, but we're coming at it from a different angle. We're coming at it from a D. So half a C, A. Yep. Then what we're going to do, we're going to invert that. Instead of going D, C, we're going to go C, D. Yeah? And that's what happens. It goes A, D, C, then A, C, D. The other way around. So intro. Sorry, I messed that up. Then C, D. D, C, A, C, D. Now, as the song goes on, you're free to go A, res, then down to D, make a little note on that E. When it goes to the E from there, you'll hear that he stays a little bit longer. So what he's actually doing there, he's staying 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then change. He stays on for 2 beats longer rather than just having 4 beats per chord. He stays on the E for 2 beats longer. So we got da 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 ba ba da do dum to the D, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, back to the A. D, the A, E, 1, 2, then back to riff. C, D, A, 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 D, C, A, C, D, D, C. Or you can do it this way. You can do it the other way where you just send the 2 fingers up. Right, about 2 minutes in, you're going to get to this lead guitar bit that goes. How do we play that? Let me show you. So first off, we're going to be going up twice from the 5th fret to the 7th fret on the D string. Then we're going to be going 7th fret to 5th fret. So once on the 7th, twice on the 5th. So let's recap. Then we're going to be going, which is 7, 5, 7. And then we drop down to the G string and we play between the 5th fret and the 4th fret. And then we repeat the whole cycle again. So we've got. Okay, let me show you that again. Up to the camera, I'm going to go nice and close. So. Twice sliding up from the 5th fret to the 7th fret on the 4th string, which is the D string. And then 7, 5, 5. And then, which is 7, 5, 7. And then we're going to be going down onto the G string and going 5, 4, 5. And then we're sliding up to the 7th fret on the G string. Got that? So, and then back to that thing again. So, let's take you through that again one more time. So 5 to 7. Then again. So there we are, Spirit in the Sky by the great Norman Greenbaum. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with if you've got any song suggestions for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. Again, let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe as it helps me grow the channel. A big thank you, as always, to everyone who's already liked and subscribed for me. I'm always so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in the next video. Take great care of yourselves until we meet again. Bye-bye.